be on the next level. I'ma be rocking over that bass treble. I'ma be chilling with my mother crew. I'ma be making all them deals you wanna do. I'ma be up in them A-list flicks, doing one-handed flips, and I'ma be sipping, don't trip, cause I'ma be shaking my hips. You gon' be licking your lip. I'ma be taking them pics, looking all fly and shit. I'ma be the flyest chick. I'ma be spreading my wings. I'ma be doing my thing.
Do it.
Okay. I'ma swing it this way. I'ma swing it that way. It's Frankie Fergie. I'ma be here to stay. The 21st century till infinity.
I'ma be
rich, baby. What?
I'ma be
the shit, baby. Check me out.
I'ma be
on top, never stop.
I'ma be
freaking hurt.
I'ma
be the upgraded new Negro. I'ma be the advanced brother with soul. I'ma be worldwide, international. I'ma be in Rio, rockin' Tokyo. I'ma be brilliant with my millions. Loan out $1 billion and get back $1 trillion. I'ma be a brother, but my name ain't Lehman. I'ma be a bank, I be loaning out semen. Honey's in debt, they be bouncing them checks, but I don't really mind when they bouncing them checks. I'ma be rich, baby. I'ma be sick with the flow, and the goal is to rock the whole globe. I'ma be the future, I'ma be the whole reason why you even wanna come to a show. You can see me while I'm rocking and I'm kicking down a dough. Then I'ma be up in the club, doing whatever I like. I'ma be popping that bug.
Okay, so this is my finished everyday look. Got kind of like sometimes I have to fill that in, so that's what I did, and then I had to fill my eyebrows in. I get the vampire look because I'm related to Edward Cullen, so that marks my Deadpool tail. So I hope you guys know I'm kidding, and I think I'm going to fast forward me taking it off with just some remover wipe things, but yeah.
Cooling and living that good life. Oh, let's make this last forever. Party and we'll chill together. On and 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 I'ma be rocking like this. What? Y'all niggas wanna talk shit? What? Why don't you put it on the blog, nigga? Rocking like this is my job, nigga. We can't help that we popular, and all these folks wanna flock to us. Come to a show and just rock with us. 1 million plus with binoculars. I'ma be living that good life. I'ma be living that good.
Okay, so this is what one makeup wipe looks like. I'm just gonna go wash my face, even though I got most of the makeup off. But yeah, I use the Garnier refreshing remover things. And I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be right back. So, okay, so I'm gonna go wash my face, even though I got most of the makeup off with one towel, but I'm just gonna go. I swear I remember. Okay, that's a blooper. Alright, so I'm all done. I think I got all the makeup off. My hair is just up because yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's kind of like a funny video, and now you can go watch Electra's.
I don't need you or your brand new Benz or your bougie friends. I don't need love looking like diamonds, looking like diamonds.
Get sleazy, 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 get sleazy.
I'ma get
go places where all my ladies can't get in. Just grab a bottle, some boys, and let's take it back to my basement and get sleazy. Sick of all your lines so cheesy. Sorry, daddy, but I'm not that easy. I'm not gonna sit here while you circle jerk it and work it. I'ma take it back to where my man and my girls is. On your dumb dumb drum, the beat's so fat, gonna make me come. Over to your place. Rat-tat-tat-tat on your dumb dumb drum, the beat's so.
I am done, and I'm ready to go hit the club. You know, dance, and I'm gonna stop. No, this is fake. This is not real. I'm not real. I'm not down with this. Oh my. Okay. I'm gonna take this off now.
Gonna make me come. To your place. I don't mean to critique on your seduction technique, but your money's not impressing me. It's kinda weak. That you really think you're gonna get my rocks off, get my top and socks off by showing me the dollars in your drop box. Me and all my friends, we don't buy bottles, we bring them. We take the drinks from the tables when you get up and leave them. And I don't care if you stare and you call us scummy, cause we ain't after your affection and sure as hell not your money, honey.